Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto G Pure and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. First, let's open the Play Store app and then in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near Green Apple Keyboard, tap once on the switcher, tap twice to OK, and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.